To sign up as a mentor on Chalk Talk, please follow these simple steps. Visit the website talk.chalktallk.world/dashboard. Click on the Mentor Sign Up button located at the right side of the page. You will be directed to the registration page where you'll need to provide some information. Provide the required information in the mentor registration form, such as your username, email address, and a strong password for your account. Choose an email that you'll use to log into your learner account. Click on the Sign Up button to create your learner account. You can now log into your learner account using your email and password. Your account will still be required to go through validation before you hold any session on Chalk Talk by providing additional details about your expertise, qualifications, and teaching experience, etc. Embark on your teaching journey and discover the possibilities of Chalk Talk. Start exploring now.